Hi, I'm Kate, and this is a quick review of the Philips 24-inch frameless full HD monitor. So I've had this for a while now and I absolutely love it. Originally, I was looking for a monitor with a really large screen and an excellent image quality, and this really ticks all the boxes. It's also super thin, which is great. It's not too bulky and it's super reliable, and personally I've never experienced any flickering. The image has always been crystal clear. It's very easy to use. I've currently got it connected to my laptop and it's very easy to plug in. So I just use two cables, one for power and one to connect to my laptop. You can also change which angle you drag the mouse off to move from your monitor screen to your laptop screen. I currently have it dragging off to the left, but this is easy to change. What I particularly love about this is that it's so easy to read text, like a large amount of text. I don't get a headache when I use this monitor. It's a really good sort of image, especially for text. And I think that's partly due to the low blue mode, which sort of reduces the shortwave blue light and means that it's flicker free. So overall, I absolutely love this monitor and I would definitely recommend it to someone looking for a monitor that's easy, reliable, and with a great image quality.